Hey, what's up, AMP coin holder? What's going on this time? AMP price will be decreasing very badly, minus 8.7%. The price will fail down, so definitely it's a really bad news. But don't worry, my brother. After a fail, every coin will pumps up. So therefore, I hope they will recover this all loss and they will get a very good profit. So kindly, holder, please, if you want to get a profit now, my friend, watch this video completely to understand better to what I tell you, my friend. As you can see, my friend, every coin will moving in this circulation. Definitely, you can see here the first line I will draw. You can see here the touch highest point, and the second you can see a resistance line. The third line is touch the lowest points, my friend. So absolutely, you can see here the circulation. So sometimes they were, my friend, you can see here just and only hit the resistance line and moving upward, but absolutely you can see a lot of time they were fails down. So therefore, the change occurring is negative, and when they will hit the resistance line, so that's clear to they will change occur positive. But this time you can see here the condition is very critical now of AMP coin, very badly fails down. So when is a huge pump coming soon, my friend? The very huge pump is coming soon after the mid of month, and especially the last 10 days of every month every coin will pumps up. So therefore I hope to AMP will get a profit, but please, this is need your cooperation. If you are starting investing, you are starting holding, so I hope to AMP will get a profit. Otherwise, my friends, they will never hit the highest point and they will never give you a profit. So see you next time, AMP coin holder. My advice for all of you to please hold on. What's your opinion? Share in a comment box. My opinion is to please hold. And my friend, let's see for a new video, but please subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for more videos notification.